Welcome to your YouTube channel Odisha Railway Study Point. Let's start the previous year official question paper of RRB and TPC. Oxides of metal are basic in nature, that is they combine with acid to form salt and water. Select the odd metal oxide from the following one. Your right answer is Al2O3. What are elements FCl, Br, I and At commonly known as? Your right answer is halogens. Which of the following can produce by fragmentation? Your right answer is Spirogyra. Name the Indian origin boy in United Kingdom who became the youngest applicant in a decade to achieve the highest score in the men's IQ test, beating geniuses such as Albert Einstein and Stephen Hawking. Your right answer is Mehul Garg. If the initial velocity of an object thrown upward is 14 meter per second, then the time taken for the object to reach its highest peak will be dash. Given A is equal to 9.8 meter per second square, small g. Your right answer is 1.43 second. With a concave mirror, center of curvature, when an object is placed at the focus shape, which of the following applies for the image? Your right answer is red inverted highly enlarged image at infinite. A boat at anchor is rocked by wave which consecutive crests are 125 meter apart. The velocity of the wave of the moving crest is 25 meter per second. What is the frequency of the rocking of the boat? Your right answer is 0.20 Hz. When a bullet is fired from a gun, its potential energy is converted into, your right answer is kinetic energy. The Karnataka government has recently received the approval for purchase of electric vehicle from the Department of Heavy Industry of the Union Government under which scheme? Your right answer is FAME India subsidized. To which dynasty did the first woman ruler of Delhi Sultanate Razia Sultan belong? Your right answer is Slave dynasty. When a force of 10 Newton acts on a body of mass 10 kg that is able to move freely, which of the following statement will apply? Your right answer is the body move with an acceleration of 10 meter per second square. Which actor was honored with the Kala Ratna Award in 2017? Your right answer is Anupam Kher. In a parallel circuit, if one electrical appliance stop working due to some defect, then all the other appliances, your right answer is, will work normally. How many moles are present in 60 gram of helium? Your right answer is 15 moles. The Union Environment Ministry has launched a pilot project for beach cleanup and development named, your right answer is Blue Flag. An element with an atomic number of 17 is, your right answer is a halogen gas. Which of the following is not an example of a biomass energy source? Your right answer is atomic energy. Which cell organelle is called the master of the cell? Your right answer is nucleus. Who coined the phrase survival of the fittest? Your right answer is Herbert Spencer. Which of the following company was bestowed the status of Maharatna Company by the Government of India in September 2017? Your right answer is Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited, BPCL. Which of the following is not true for the reaction of calcium with water? Your right answer is the reaction is less violent. During combustion of unsaturated compound is dash in seen. Your right answer is yellow flame. The sum of potential energy and kinetic energy is known as, your right answer is mechanical energy. What is the name of the canal that connects the Pacific Ocean to the Atlantic Ocean? It was commissioned in the year 1914. Your right answer is White Sea Canal. Reproducing new plants by cells instead of vegetative part or seed is called. Your right answer is tissue culture. Which of the following element has the unique ability to form bond with other atom of the same element, giving rise to large molecule? Your right answer is carbon. In a hydroelectric power station, ultimately which energy is converted into electrical energy? Your right answer is kinetic energy. The formula of power is work by time. Your right answer is work by time. Which Indian model won the Miss World 2017 contest held in China? Your right answer is Manushi Chiller. Which Indian model won the Miss World 2017 contest held in China? Manushi Chiller is your correct answer. Under which Indian emperor region was the Jama Masjid in Delhi built? Your right answer is Shah Jahan. In which of the following permanent tissue are the cell dead? Your right answer is sclerenchyma. If the velocity of aluminum is 3 and that of oxygen is 2, then the chemical formula of aluminum oxide is Al2O3. Your right answer is Al2O3. Which Indian American is the CEO of Adobe System? Your right answer is Shantanu Narayan. Shantanu Narayan is your correct answer. Who is the newly appointed Governor of Bihar as the March 2018? Your right answer is Satyapal Malik. Which of the following is a chemical change? Your right answer is butter turning rancid. Which of the following is not a hormone found in animal? Your right answer is auxin. Oxide of metals are basic in nature, that is they combine with acid to form salt and water. Select the odd one out metal oxide from the following one. Al2O3. What is the element? Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, commonly known as? Your right answer is halogen. Which of the following can reproduce by fragmentation? Your right answer is Spirogyra. If you have daily hard work for your aim, you get your success in your life. Otherwise, no one can help you to reach on your goal. It is the bad truth of your life. Let's bye bye. Have a nice day. Jai Bharat. Jai Hind.